Hello techies, so we are in lab 6.5.6 and we're going to delete OUS. So you are the IT administrator for a corporate network. You have just installed Active Directory on a new Hyper-V guest server named CompTIA. You have created an Active Directory structure based on the company's departmental structure. While creating the structure, you added a workstation OU in each of the departmental OUs. After further thought, you decide to use one workstation OU for the entire company. As a result, you need to delete the departmental workstation OUs. So in this lab, your task is to delete the following OUs on CompTIA. Alright, so within the marketing, you're going to delete OU, delete the workstation OU. The same thing within research and sales. So let's start lab. So should in case you find this video to be too fast for you, I apologize for that. You can always pause this video and walk at your own pace. Alright, we are inside the lab, so let's go to Corp server and then we'll select CompTIA. So we'll go to tools and we select Active Directory, users and computer. Alright, so we go to view, and for this view we are going to click on advanced features and we'll go to CompNet or local. You're going to expand this and we'll scroll down to marketing, right click on it and then go to scroll down to properties and let's start up, go to object and uncheck this and click OK. So we're going to marketing again, right click on it and scroll down to delete. Are you sure you want to delete organization on it? Yes, you want to. Yes, again. Alright, so scroll down to workstation and go to properties. Under properties, you select object and uncheck protect from accidental deletion, then click on OK. Then go ahead and delete. Click yes and click yes again. Alright, so what else we have? Okay, scroll down to dev, research dev, and we'll go to properties. Under properties, we go to objects and we uncheck protect objects from accidental deletion and we click OK. So we'll go ahead and delete. Click yes. Yes. So we'll go to sales and properties. So we'll go to object, then we're going to uncheck this and click on OK and right click on this and click on delete, then we'll click on yes. And we'll click on yes here. Alright, so we'll go ahead and check our answers. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Comment your questions below if you have any. Thank you for watching and I will definitely see you in my next video.